Welcome to Mathematics Online class. Today we are going to learn how to find mode of a grouped data. Mode is the value of observation which occurs most frequently in situations which require establishing the most frequent value or most popular item. The mode is the best choice. To find the most popular TV being watched, consumer item in great demand, color of the vehicle used by most of the people, we need mode. Mode of a grouped data is equal to sum of L and F1 minus F0 upon twice F1 minus F0 minus F2 times H. Here L is lower boundary of the model class. H is size of the class interval. F1 frequency of the model class. F0 frequency of the class preceding to the model class. That is previous one. F2 frequency of the class succeeding to the model class. Let us solve a problem to find mean and mode of a grouped data. For the frequency distribution showing the age of the patients admitted in a hospital during an year. Mode is the value of the observation having maximum frequency. So first locate the class with maximum frequency. Here the maximum frequency is 23. But see here this we do not have observations. Which observation 35 to 45 they have given observations class interval. So we cannot say which observation is the mode. So 35 to 45 is the class is also called model class. Highest frequency is 23 and 35 to 45 this class is called model class. So the most of the patient join in the hospital in age group 35 to 45. So now we can find lower boundary here. Here lower boundary is 35. Size of the class interval, upper boundary minus lower boundary, that is 10. Frequency of the model class F1 is 23. Next, frequency of the class preceding to model class, that is F0. F0 value is 21 here. Next, frequency of the class succeeding to the model class F2 is 14. Succeeding means next number. This F0, F1, F2 will be in a serial. Next, mode of the grouped data can be found by using the formula discussed earlier. Substitute the obtained values in the formula and simplify to get the mode. Mode is 36.82. We also need to calculate mean. For mean, total number of observation is required. That is 80 patients are there. Next, we have to find class marks, xi values. And also we have to find the column fi xi. And summation of fi xi is 2830. That will give sum of the observations. Now mean is summation of fi xi upon summation of fi, which is equal to 2830 upon 80, which is equal to 35.375. See, mode is 36.82 and mean is 35.38 approximately. So maximum number of patients admitted in the hospital are of the age 36.8, whereas the average age of the patients admitted to the hospital is 35.4. Let us solve one more problem when grouped data contains inclusive classes, non-overlapping. We have to see the class with maximum frequency. 12 is the maximum frequency. 145 to 153 is a model class, but be cautious that the lower boundary is not 145. Lower boundary of the model class is the average of 144 and 145. So we need to find class boundaries here. So lower boundary is 144.5. You can take the average of 144 and 145. Average of 2 points is the midpoint. So you'll get 144.5. Size of the class interval, upper boundary minus lower boundary, how to take? Not upper limit minus lower limit. Upper boundary minus lower boundary, that is 9. Frequency of the model class, that is F1 12. Frequency of the class preceding to the model class, previous one, that is 9. Frequency of the class succeeding to the model class, F2, that is next class, is 5. Now mode of the group data formula we have discussed earlier. You have to write that. You need to substitute the values. L is 144.5, F1 12, F0 9, F2 5. You have to substitute. In numerator 12 minus 9 3. In denominator minus 9 minus 5 is minus 14. 2 times 12 is 24. 24 minus 14 is 10. Now 3 by 10. Here it is a decimal fraction. So multiply 3 times 9, that is 27. 27 by 10 is a decimal fraction, that is 2.7. When we add 144.5 and 2.7, we'll get 147.2. Hence, most of the leaves length measure is 147.2 millimeters. In the next class, we will learn how to find median of a group data. Thank you. Jai Hind.